Voices scatter across the room, lines are drawn, the air feels tense. Everyone guards their own ground, mistaking noise for influence. You step in where others pause, seeing patterns beneath the storm. What looks like chaos starts to shift when someone leads with open arms. Break the lines that keep us apart, bring us back to a common start, where division fades, a path appears. Harmony grows when someone clears a space where unity belongs. True leadership makes us strong. You listen past the sides they choose, past the stories built on fear. You speak to what connects us all, and suddenly the way is clear. What once clashed begins to bend, separate threads are drawn together. When service leads the guiding hand, the whole becomes much greater. Break the lines that keep us apart, bring us back to a common start, where division fades, a path appears. Harmony grows when someone clears the space where unity belongs. True leadership makes us strong. Fortune rises where walls fall, when one serves the good of all. What others miss, you clearly see. Peace rebuilt through unity. Stand for what brings people near, and watch the way grow calm.